In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix non-descriptive link text in Webflow. Non-descriptive link text, like click here or learn more, can be confusing for visitors and screen reader users because it doesn't explain where the link goes. Our goal is to make each link clearly communicate its destination and purpose. With your Webflow project open in the designer, start by locating the link or button that needs improvement. This could be a text link, a button, or a linked image. Make sure it's selected on the canvas so you can adjust its settings. With the element selected, open the element settings panel. This is where you control what the link actually points to. If you're new to the interface, look for the settings icon on the right side of the designer when the link is selected. This panel is different from site-wide project settings. It's specific to the element you're working on, which keeps your changes targeted and safe. Inside the settings panel, find the link options and choose URL. This ensures you have full control over the destination, whether that's a page in your site, a specific section, or a full external address. If you intended to link to an internal page, you can also choose the page option here, but URL gives you a flexible universal field that works for both internal and external destinations. Now type the destination you want to use. Paste the full web address for external links or choose the correct internal page or section if you're staying within your site. The key to fixing non-descriptive link text is to make sure the visible text on your link matches the destination's intent. For example, if the link goes to pricing, the text should say something like view pricing, not click here. If it goes to documentation, use read the documentation, and so on. Keeping the wording specific makes your site easier to navigate and more accessible. As you finalize the destination, double check a couple of best practices. If you're sending users to a different website, consider opening the link in a new tab so they don't lose their place, and make sure the label still explains what they'll find. Keep link text concise but meaningful, and avoid repeating the same vague wording for different targets. When you're done, preview your page and test the link to confirm it goes exactly where expected. Clear, descriptive link text matched with the correct destination will improve accessibility, SEO, and user trust. Congratulations, you've made your links more meaningful and your site more user-friendly.